Okay, guys, we're going to look at some example problems today before you get started on this SchoolNet quiz. So this is a problem from yesterday's assignment that I think people are getting a little confused on. So let's talk about why people might be getting a little confused on this kind of problem. The problem said a pizza shop had 4 pizzas left at the end of the night. So I'm going to do just a quick drawing here to represent those 4 pizzas. Remember, drawing to solve always helps us visualize the story problem. We're getting used to calling it a story problem because we're trying to create a scene in our mind about what's happening to be able to choose an operation. Choosing the operation is actually the hardest part of working with fractions, and really even not fractions. We have a tough time with word problems in 5th grade. So it says a pizza shop has 4 pizzas left at the end of each night. They're divided equally among 5 employees. So I'm going to use diamond to represent my 5 employees. So we've got 1 person, 2 people, 3, whoops, not delete, 3, 4, 5 people. So these are those Pizza Hut employees. So if 5 people are dividing 4 pizzas or sharing, we need to get used to saying this as sharing because we know that when we're talking about fractions or even division problems, what is being divided, so what goes on top of a fraction, is what's being shared. Just get this color. So if I look at this as a fraction here, ooh, that was terrible. Let me try that again. I don't have my pen tool out. I'm just using the mouse pad. Okay, so if I look at this as 4 pizzas being shared, that's going to go on top of the fraction, divided by or divided into shared, the parts that make up the whole, or how many people there's going to be, is going to be 5 people. So that means, and this is where people get confused because they know that that's how we set it up. What's being divided is going to be on top or in the house, and what it's being divided by is going to be the denominator or what's outside of the house. We call that the divisor and the dividend. But people got confused because can it really be that easy? Can 4/5 really be the answer to this? And let's take a look at it really quickly. So if I was talking about 4 pizzas, I'm going to make this one of my pizzas. Let me turn it. I'm going to make this one of my pizzas. If I turn it, make it a square. And I divided this square into 5 pieces. Nope, just kidding. This is the person. I don't know why I just did that. All right, let me go back. If this is the pizza and it's a circle, we have a really hard time dividing into 5, but I'm going to try here. So we have 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, and 5 pieces. So if each one of these employees gets 1 piece of this pizza, and then this one looked exactly the same, and that employee got this 1 piece of pizza out of the second pizza, and this employee got this piece of pizza out of the third, and this same employee got this out of the fourth. It says, how much does each employee get? So each employee, out of how many parts make up the whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write it down here. 5 parts. This isn't very organized. We'll use 4 square on the next one. 5 parts, and each employee gets 1/5. So that means that 1/5 times, or 4 times, 1/5 times 4. We could check our answer using the inverse operation. 1 times 4 is 4, and 5 times 1 is 5. So the answer is each employee gets 4/5 of each pizza. And it really is that easy. Just like the other day, when they were shoveling, there was 12 people shoveling 8 driveways. It really was that easy that each person shoveled 8/12 or 2/3 driveways. All right, guys, hopefully that helps when you are interpreting fractions as division today on your assignment. Good luck.